Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Opay app. So using your Opay app is actually relatively easy. So we have in here our home page and we have several buttons through this case. So on these buttons we have the transfer to Opay, transfer to bank, withdrawal. We also have airtime, data, TV, electricity, and the likes for actual bill payments. So you can head over and then just use this. So you can click onto this to OPay, then make sure to send to another OPay user. You can also use the bank, and we also have in here airtime for buying some airtime, as well as buying some data, as well as TV subscriptions, referring and earning, financial, and the likes. We also have in here the rewards points. We have the finance for our wallet, wealth, fix, spend and save, and the likes. We also have in here our OP card, and we also have in here the actual Me page in order to call the OP USD or the like.